Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about Vaseline. Yes, you heard me right. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 ways you can use Vaseline in your daily life, and believe me or not, but you can replace this petroleum jelly with almost your every expensive products. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get into the video. Vaseline Pure Petroleum Jelly is great for the skin protection as it has triple purified formula which works with our skin to provide nourishment and protection. This product can be used in a variety of ways including daily moisturizing and skin protection, beauty needs. Vaseline Petroleum Jelly is used all over the world for different purposes. So let's check out some of them one by one. Exfoliate lips. For this process, I will take a small amount of Vaseline into a bowl and a bit of sugar into another bowl. Here I have taken sugar in granules form and then mix it both with the help of spatula or spoon. Then you can apply this mixture onto your lips. Here I am applying it onto my hands for displaying purposes. Rubbing this mixture together for a few seconds onto your lips will remove all the chapped and flaky skin from your lips and also helps in getting rid of all the roughness from your lips. Removing makeups. Vaseline is also very good at removing any kind of makeup from your face or any part of your body. It can even remove waterproof makeup very easily. Here I am applying my lipstick onto my hands and taking a very generous amount of Vaseline petroleum jelly onto a cotton ball. Within few seconds it will remove all the makeup from my hand and leaving it moisturized for all day. Perfume lasts longer. So guys, if you want to smell good whole day, then dab a small amount of Vaseline on your pulse point or your wrist, behind your ears, behind your knees, or even on your ankles. Before you spray your favorite fragrance, the Vaseline absorbs the scent for a more lasting effect. Under eye cream. For this purpose, take 2 bowls and take a very generous amount of Vaseline into a bowl with the help of a spatula or spoon, and then squeeze a few drops of lemon into it and mix it well with the help of your finger. Now apply this mixture under eye area gently for 7 days before sleeping. Shaping eyebrows. For this you're gonna need 2 products. First one is Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and second one is your mascara. First take the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and dip the spoolie of your mascara into it so that you can take a small amount of Vaseline onto the spoolie and then spread on the back of your hand so that you can remove the excess of your product. Comb the hair of your eyebrows with the help of spoolie of your mascara, giving the hair the desired direction and let it dry for few minutes. The eyebrows will keep the correct shape for the whole day, and also don't forget to remove the excess of the product from your eyebrows at the end. Soft scrub. For making this soft scrub, take a pouch of coffee in a small bowl and mix it with a generous amount of Vaseline. Mix both the ingredients until both get mixed and combined together properly. After making mixture, gently rub it all over your body and make sure you avoid areas under your eyes. Leave the mixture over your body for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. This mixture helps in removing all the dead skin and cells from your body and improve the blood circulation and reduces eye puffiness, and also helps in smoothing the skin and also helps in making the skin more smoother than usual. Wet makeup. Wet makeup is a huge trend at the moment, but how do you create wet look makeup? It's easier than you might think. The key to this look is to embrace the gloss without going overboard. For this, apply some petroleum jelly on the eyelid before using eyeshadow and let it dry for few minutes.
Vaseline seems to give the shadow more grip and makes it look more luminous. All you have to do is rub a little bit onto your lid before proceeding your usual eyeshadow technique and you are ready to go. Anti-aging treatment. For this, take a small bowl and put a small amount of Vaseline into it and then put a generous amount of aloe vera gel into it. Here I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any of your favorite aloe vera gel. Then put a few drops of gulab gel into it. Mix it well until all the ingredients get combined. Now apply it gently all over your face with the help of fingers every night before going to sleep. This mixture will act as a nighttime moisturizer and cream and transform your dull and aging skin into a radiant one. Split ends recovery. The problem of split end has been around for a very long time and many of us struggle with it. Although you can avoid this if you try this trick. Apply a very generous amount of Vaseline petroleum jelly onto your hands and then rub the palm of your hands together. Then apply it to your dry hair ends and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The product seals the split ends and prevent your hair from splitting. The regular use of Vaseline petroleum jelly also improves the hair condition. You can also mix Vaseline with your other essential oil or mask if you like.
So that's it for the video, you guys. If you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel and also like my video, share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Bye.